accelerated computing starts long before a chip reaches the data center. Chip manufacturing requires end-to-end optimization, from fab operations to process flows and materials. Applied Materials leverages digital twins built on NVIDIA Omniverse libraries to simulate fab-level optimizations in layout, throughput, cost, and process control. These breakthroughs come to life with Applied Materials' Endura platform, which integrates 7 advanced technologies with atomic-level precision. Every technology is perfected through advanced simulations that model fluid flow, heat, chemistry, plasma, electromagnetics, and materials behavior. With accelerated computing and the NVIDIA cuDSS library, Applied's ACE Plus and Ginestra modules accelerate these simulations up to 35 times and 10 times, turning days or months into hours or minutes. Using NVIDIA Physics NeMo and Apollo AI physics models, ACE Plus data becomes real-time digital twins, letting engineers test designs, tweak parameters, and receive near-instant feedback. This is AI accelerating AI, where materials engineering enables high-performance compute. Together, Applied Materials and NVIDIA are revolutionizing chip making.